Welcome everybody, my name is Ben with Master Spas and Chili Goats. We're starting a series of how-to videos so that you can make operation of your chili goat in your facility or home much, much easier. Next, we're going to talk about chemical care maintenance, a couple of things. We've got your startup kit. This will last you quite a while, but I want to actually show you what's in there. In your chemical care kit, we do a drop kit rather than the test strips like you would use for a hot tub. They're unreliable in cold water. We don't recommend them. We recommend this, and we're going to show you how to use it here. I'd also like to take a second. In there, this is 1 teaspoon. We're going to talk about that again. Inside here, you've got balance down, sanitize, balance up, as well as refresh. I'd like to spend a couple minutes and just sort of tell you what they do so that it'll just help you a lot with taking care of your tub. Okay, we can set this aside. So if you look here, when we test, we're testing for chlorine, we're testing for pH. Okay, the balance up and down is for the pH. If it needs to go up and down, you use those based on your findings here. I can't tell you how many times people call with an issue with the water and I say, okay, what did the test say? And they haven't even tested it. Okay, I can't answer a question if you haven't done this part, and we really want you to learn this. That's why we're doing these videos, okay? This is to help you. And then you have your sanitize. Sanitize kills things in the tub, and then refresh is a non-chlorine oxidizer that removes junk from the tub up into the atmosphere. That's how that works, okay? So if you want, we're gonna show you how to do this. First thing we're gonna do, on the back side, there's little lines there. We're gonna fill the water up to there. Now I don't know about you, it always takes me a couple of cracks. Actually, it's perfect right out of the gate. That never happens. Okay, put that down. Now you've got red, you've got yellow. Red, we're gonna put 5 drops in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put 5 yellow drops on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the cover on. Don't really need to shake it, just turn it upside down a couple times, that's it. Then we're gonna look. Now, what I'm looking at here, if you wanna come on in nice and close, that looks like 7.2, you match it, and that looks like 0 chlorine to me. So I like it 7.5, so we're gonna use balance up. We're gonna do that first, and then we're gonna address the chlorine. So with the balance up, for every notch on that you need to go is 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Just like this. Sprinkle it throughout the water, let the jets carry it away, and mix it in. So next, that is no chlorine in there. So what you need to know about this, we're looking to keep between 1 and 3 parts per million. So call that 3rd shade of yellow and down. If you fill this teaspoon up and there's 0 chlorine in there, 1 full teaspoon is gonna bring you too high to about 10. So from here, maximum I would add is about ½ a teaspoon. It's very small increments. Cold water is much easier to take care of than warm water. We're gonna grab the sanitize. We're gonna go half. That makes me happy. Sprinkle in, good to go. Now, a couple things we need to talk about real quick. At the end of the day, you could hit the oxidizer. Okay, that's gonna refresh the water. It's gonna allow the chlorine to do its job. It's gonna keep that water vibrant, gonna keep it clean, all right? The balance up and down is only if you need it. The sanitize, we're using on a commercial setting, if you have 20 bathers, 50 bathers, we have a location with 150 or 170 bathers per tub per day. They're putting in chlorine, probably 5 times a day, very small amounts. Okay, that's the way to do that. What we recommend is going through this test procedure first thing in the morning, once at noon, once at the end of the day. You may find that you don't need to do it that often later on. You'll probably find that you don't need to do it that often, but we'd like you to start that way. And what we're encouraging you to do is to learn your customers, learn your water, learn your bather load, and that's done by testing. So once you test a few days in a row, you know what's going to be there the next morning. You'll know what to do in advance. It's just going to get easier. The trouble that we run into is that people don't take the time to learn how to do this initially, which we really, really want you to do. It's going to make your life better.